Hi,
Who are you?
I'm Kev's mom.
What are you going to cook for us today?
Today I'm going to cook a dish that I got inspired to put together after being to Bali. Over there they call this dish Nasi Goreng. Nasi means rice and Goreng means fried. But I have a different version from what they have fed me over there. So here we go. So you have a little bit of oil, maybe a tablespoon of oil, which you stir around on your wok. If you don't have a wok, you can use any other deep, shallow, whatever, fry pan, whatever, but of a decent size because you need a lot of space to stir up your stir fry. I have got a cup of carrot, 2 cups of softly soaked overnight and boiled chickpea. That's 2 cups. That's 4 cups of mixed vegetables, whatever soft vegetables you like. Then I have got 4 cups of rice that was cooked and left in the fridge overnight. And I have got 3 cups of chicken diced up. This container there. Chicken tenderloins, all chopped up, cubed up, ready to go. Alright. For the flavors, I have got onion, 1 cup of coarsely chopped up onion. Then I'm going to put chili, ginger and garlic. Normally for this amount of vegetables I would put again 2 teaspoons of ginger, 2 teaspoons of garlic, and the chilies I'd probably put 1 teaspoon, and we can top it up if you need it to be hot up. I also have a sauce here called sweet soy ketchup mayonnaise that gives all the flavors. Okay, here we go. We're starting with our carrots. This is our firm vegetable that needs to hold up all the heat for the soft vegetables. At the moment the heat was on low while waiting for us to finish explaining. So now I'm going to make it to medium heat and let the heat all come through. Actually I'm going to make it on high heat because it needs to be cooked quickly. Alright? That was a tablespoon of oil, but as you know the heat will expand the oil, so it looks like a lot of oil now. So that looks pretty much, see how slightly changed its color. I'm going to throw in my chickpeas. That's about 2 cups of overnight soaked and boiled chickpeas. There it goes. Oh, and it was slightly frozen because I had it frozen.
Caught in the act, frozen vegetable.
Now that's my dried chickpea that I had actually. I normally do this in bulk. I soak maybe about 2 kilos of chickpea overnight and I boil it. Then I package it and I freeze it for my impromptu cooking. I want it to cook for a couple of minutes before I'm going to put in my stir fry other vegetables. Basically what you want is to be well heated. So now I'm going to throw in my colorful 4 cups of chopped up vegetables. There you go. And these I'm going to very quickly stir through. It's just to make it a bit warm, and that's it for it. And you use your long handle coconut spoon to stir up these vegetables in this wok.
Does it need to be coconut?
If it is coconut, it's natural fiber and it's good for the pan as well. It's not stretching the metal and yeah. See how nice it looks, all colorful, rich and healthy. You can use frozen vegetables too, but however I think frozen vegetables don't taste as good. It'll have a different texture of course, and it'll taste a bit different. So that's it for it. I'm not gonna cook that anymore because I like my fresh vegetables to stay as fresh as possible. Transfer it out to you like that in one big drop. So see how there's so much steam in there? That's gonna continue cooking it. In this pan I'm going to now cook the chicken. So for the vegetarians, you would not cook the chicken of course, But if you want, you can chop up some tofu and throw it in your vegetables. So that becomes your protein for the vegetarian.
By the way, the camera is up over here.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon. Yeah, that would be about a tablespoon, I think, of oil again. And I'm going to swirl that around with this meat.
Let's have a look at this swirling.
So swirl it around so that the meat doesn't get stuck in the pan. Good.
Nice big blob of chicken there.
Yeah. Good. Some food can stick on the pan, so for that I sometimes have to use my metal stir fryer, but we'll see how this goes. I'm going to put this to medium heat now. I would stop cooking it as soon as I see it's all turned white. And if you break one of the bigger pieces and it is white in the middle of the bigger piece, that means it's all cooked. You don't have to cook it anymore, and that hopefully helps stop the chicken from overcooking it.
Is it normal for the stovetop to catch on fire while you're cooking?
Something happened there. The stove started putting an extra fire. Maybe it wants to stir fry the chicken faster. Okay, that looks pretty much done. So I'm going to lower the heat again and try and transfer this to this bowl, but I'm going to use this knife that's going to help me do it easily. And I'll burn off all the liquid because I don't want the liquid in the rice. So that's your cooked up chicken. Now I'm going to fry my rice. So again, I'll put a generous amount of oil of about a tablespoon. Does it look like a tablespoon?
That looks like 3 tablespoons.
No, that's a tablespoon. Well, I'm not good at estimating, so yeah, I should have actually measured it. Yeah, just about a tablespoon of oil, guys. Don't want to put too much oil.
Yes, don't want to put too much oil. That would be terrible.
First of all, I'm gonna drop in my onion. Level a tablespoon of garlic. 1 and another 1. 2 this should be 2, but I have ran out, so put 2 heaped tablespoons of ginger. And chili is up to you, however hot you like it to be. Maybe I'll put all of this. That's about a tablespoon there. I'm going to stir this through so it cooks a little bit. And I'm using the metal knife for this because I don't want the garlic to get stuck to the pan and get burnt. So that changes the flavor. I'm going to make the heat a little bit higher. Maybe I'll make it medium heat. It's taking a while. And if it starts sticking, then you lower the heat again.
What is the difference between Nasi Goreng and fried rice?
I think Nasi Goreng is Indonesian fried rice. So it's really, it's really a fried rice, but they call it Nasi Goreng. Okay, now I need the rice. Let's see. I'm going to put the rice here. There's 4 cups of cooked rice that was sitting in the fridge to make it slightly dry. I suppose it's fried better when it's dry. While its flavor's getting through, I'm going to walk through the kitchen and get some salt. Ta-da! I've got my biggest jar of salt. We eat a lot of salt, which we shouldn't, but we do. Don't know why, but we do. Okay, now stir this through. While it's again simmering a little bit, getting all the flavors into the rice and everything, let's go and pick my coriander. Follow with the scissors. These ones look good, so I'm gonna cut that. What do you think? Do you think this much of coriander is enough?
Uh,
Looks alright. I'll make a nice garnish.
yes. Yes,
Okay.
let's say yes.
Let's say
Okay.
yes. Okay. There we go. Follow me. And we don't waste any water. So you have it here. Okay. Stir my rice again. Almost starting to look good. See? Alright. Now, must tell you about my aloe vera. So I have this water here. I'm not gonna waste it because I have to keep looking after my aloe vera.
Why is that? You could have given it some extra nutrients for the capsicum there.
Yeah. Now we have to look after it because if I burn my finger, I just have to pick a little bit like this and put this on my finger. So if the aloe vera plant is not there and if I get burned, I could get a huge blister. To avoid the blister, I put my aloe vera. Okay? So look after my aloe vera plant. Good, thank you. There you go. Oh, don't waste the water. Give it to the aloe vera. There you go. There you go, aloe vera. Starting to stick together a little bit. Alright. Now what we do is put everything together. But before I do that, I have my sauce in there. Sweet soy ketchup mayonnaise. I am brand. Now I'll measure this, but then we always top up with more at the end. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons. Okay. Might need more. Oops. Okay. See how this goes? And then we'll top up more if we need more. So this is the rice. Let's put all the flavors in it. And this is my version of Nasi Goreng, inspired by my last trip to Bali.
How many times have you been to Bali?
I've been to Bali once. But I'd like to go again. Now I'm going to make the heat higher. So what the vegetarians would do is they'll have the chickpeas to give them their protein. If they want more protein, they can put tofu, which they can chop up and just throw it in. Or you could also chop it into cubes and grill it on both sides and then add it to the pan. Then add some salt and that's it. That's for vegetarians. Okay? And if you like eggs, you can throw in crack up maybe about 6 eggs and put it around here and stir it through. The egg will get cooked. But those who are carnivorous and they like their meat, we throw in the chicken. Okay? So here we go. There's the chicken. Oh, I don't want the water because it's going to make the rice all soggy. I'm going to just pick it up without the water from it going into the rice. The heat is a bit on high and stir this through. It's a big pot of Nasi Goreng. So you keep stirring. It's quite heavy now and it's all done. Turn the heat off. And then work out how much salt you would like. So I'm going to grab the bottle of salt. Bring it out here. Oopsie. You want to burn my fingers. I need the aloe vera. There you go. That aloe vera I just picked. Oh, that's a bit yucky. So I'm going to, see, I just burned myself. So I'm putting a bit of aloe vera. It's going to help not get into a blister. There you go. We are a bit heavy on salt. So I hope this doesn't look too bad. Maybe put another bit for good luck. There you go. I think we're all done. Ta-da! Oh, garnish! I've got my gardens. More garnish. I'm going to put a bit of pomegranate because it's from my garden and it's very organic. I'm going to chuck in some tomatoes. That's from my garden too. Coriander. All done. Ta-da! Ta-da! Let's do the tasting. out of this world.
What would your rating be?
Definitely 10 out of 10.